guys, so I want to make a quick video on how to install your fan on your 2021 Husqvarna TE300i. They don't come from the factory with it, but you can order one. They're about $150. They plug right into the OEM harness. It takes about an hour's worth of time, and here's how you do it. Okay, so when you're installing your fan, you want to get your tank off, all of your fairings, your plastics, your seat, and everything. It does require that you drain a little bit of coolant out. I don't recommend that you drain it completely empty. All you have to do is take the lid off here, get your wife's nice Pyrex cup, set it down here, and loosen this screw. We only want to let out about a cup of coolant, about down to halfway or so. I don't want to get air into the thermostat and have to bleed the system. No reason to cause more work than we need. Once you do that, you can loosen this worm gear, pull the radiator back, loosen this hose. It's much easier to install the fan in the bracket on the bench. The key thing to note is that this is going to go between the radiator and the frames. This is going to be on the inside. Install it with your label pointing towards the outside with your wire up. Go ahead and slide it in. When you're installing the screws, they go on the inside of the mount into the fan. They use a 15 torque bit. With the screws mounted on the inside of the radiator fan, we're ready to install. I'm trying to do this one-handed, so go ahead and slide it over the inside onto the eyelets. And it should pop right over. Use the fine thread self-tapping screws on the outside. From the left-hand side of the bike, you can install the coarse threaded screws into the plastic. Now that the fan is mounted on the radiator, you can go ahead and reinstall your radiator. Run your fan wire through the frame around to the OEM harness. Secure it with a factory rubber bands. The fan relay needs to be installed in the factory OEM harness. In the older models, it'll be right in the airbox. In the 2020 and 2021 models, there's actually a spot for it right here under the seat. Just slip it out of the protective rubber boot and put your relay on. And that's it, you're all done. Fill it back full of coolant, put the body panels back on, and enjoy the ride.